Matt Sitlow from Epiphan Video. Today we're displaying at NAB New York a couple of products. Our streaming product, social media streaming product. We can stream to Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch. List price is $300 and it's great for HDMI inputs or USB camera input. Our second product is a 2-channel version of that. List price of $3,500. This will allow you to do a one-touch studio all in one package. It gives you 2 channels of streaming, 2 channels of recording with switching HDMI capabilities. And then our third product is our Purl II, our bigger brother to the Purl Mini. And the Purl II has 6 channels of recording, 6 channels of streaming, simultaneous switching, as well as being able to unicast, multicast, and other production features such as character generator, text overlays, as well as picture overlays and graphics. So those are our 3 products, and this is for $6,500 list price.